Tasha with Triple Threat Firearms and Defense. I will be doing a review today on some rubber garden boots by the company Hisea. They reached out to me and asked if I would like for them to send me a free pair of these garden boots and review these in a video while I'm in the garden, and ask me would I give my honest opinion about these boots. Now, I normally wear a 9.5, but they don't come in half sizes, so I went up to a size 10. And these boots come with the durable rubber sole, and they have an air mesh lining, which these came in black and hot pink. They can fold down as well and shows on the inside the Hisea logo. So these boots are pretty fashionable as well. And they come with a lifetime warranty. So they say they are waterproof, 100% waterproof. So let's go and see what these boots are all about. So they fit pretty good. Even though they are 10, they fit actually perfect. So I would say they run on the smaller side for me to be able to actually fit a 10, because normally I wear a 9.5. But these are great. I have a little room in these still, and the colors are fantastic. So let's go. So with these Hisea boots on, the ground is pretty wet. So I don't know if you can hear the squishing sound of the wet grass, but these shoes feel pretty comfortable. But like I said, I did get the size 10, and my foot was a little bit flapping, but maybe if I have on some thicker socks, they wouldn't flap up in the back like as if my shoe is gonna slide off. But next time I know to wear thicker socks. Kitchen scraps that I keep outside. Spread this out. Yes, have to get ready for it. They feel so comfortable out here. So I'm getting some water from my water catchment system, and I'm gonna see about these boots being waterproof. I have water running on them, and I have wet my feet before wearing Crocs or tennis shoes, and I have wet feet while I'm working in the garden. But since Hisea said these are waterproof, we're gonna check this out and see. Alright, I think that's enough water to water my seeds starts. Now I have walked through my muddy lawn, which is saturated with water, several times throughout the week, and I've put water. I use my rain catchment water as well and spray down my shoes. And let's see how they are. My socks are dry. So yeah. Dry socks. So my honest opinion about the Hisea garden boots, I really do love these. I can see myself every time I leave out the house if I'm going to do some yard work. And thank you, Hisea, for reaching out to me and sending me these free boots to try out. And y'all asked for my honest opinion on these boots, and they are fantastic. They're very comfortable, and I don't have to worry about getting wet feet. Not at all. And they are so pretty. I love this hot pink. Yeah. These are the boots.